Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Ethereum. Ether to Tether at Zondacrypto, big up candle here, as you can see on a daily time frame chart, and this is why we will be talking about the current situation on the Ethereum. So it looks like the corrective cycle had been completed, and this corrective cycle, if we take the date and price range tool from the very top, recent top, 4084 towards the, let's say, this low, was minus 30%, and it took 50 days. After 50 days we got the first spike back up, then we have a very deep retracement towards the May 14th, and since then we got very nice movement to the upside. So how much we are up? We are up 23%, or let me just do it the other way around, because it might be wrong. However, including today, we are up 30%. So that's completely different situation. We went 30%, 31, almost 31%, including today's high, and today's hasn't been completed yet. All right, 20 bars, 20 days. So it took 30 days. Yeah, it was 30 days. It was 50 days. So it was 50 days to go down 30%. And now it took only 20 days to go up 31%. So this movement to the upside looks very strong. Okay, so we got this covered. What is going on here? The first thing is we have a breakout. We have a breakout above this trend line. This trend line that was quite interesting to watch. Now we got a very strong breakout. We are narrowing the range towards the horizontal technical resistance. This technical resistance is located at 3,720. So this will be our first target for the bulls. And as you can see, there is nothing here after 3,720, but the swing high at 4,084 from the March 12, 2024. So this is the key level right now for the bulls on the Ethereum to break above and to rally higher. Let me just play with my chart to look very clear. There you go. This is the high. That's today's high. Today's candle, daily candle, has not been completed yet. Any breakout above would likely to test 4,084 tethers. Major supports, it's of course the high from the end of the April, 3,499, basically 3,500. So that's the major support. The other support might be located somewhere around the level of 3,276, and the last one is of course 2,832. So those are the major levels. If we apply RSI, I bet my shirt that it will be extremely overbought, because the recent move alone is 18%. So there you go. We hit extremely overbought conditions, and we hit perfectly the technical resistance. So it means that apparently we might see some sort of that temporary pullback, temporary correction on the Ethereum market. Let me just make this one smaller, so we know that we hit that. There you go. We know that we hit the technical resistance, and the scenario for the Ethereum, it looks like this. Some kind of a test of this level. That's the very optimistic scenario, and then breakout back towards 4,085 tethers. So it looks very promising. Finally we have a breakout. Finally this situation here, this corrective situation, had been completed, and we should expect higher levels to be hit after the pullback or some sort of the correction is completed. Bulls are in charge of the market. Very strong momentum to the upside. It looks like the overall market wants to resume the long-term uptrend on Ethereum. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.